Hey guys, welcome to another video. 3 years. 3 really long and heartbreaking years, and it's finally come to a point in time where I can look forward from the little hurdles that I've had over these past 3 years. 2 motors blew up and just a whole lot of problems. And today we are here with a fully complete Toyota Supra, and I couldn't ask for any more or be any happier to finally get my car back. 3 years I'd been contemplating whether I still really love cars, and after this hurdle has been now achieved, I can slowly feel that spark coming back. There was a point in time where I said, if this blows up again, that's it. No more cars. I'm completely done. But here we are today with a fully finished project, and I can only thank G-Force Race Solutions and Dandy Motors for making it happen. Today I present you my beautiful and beloved Toyota Supra. I've kindly asked my friend Winnie to pick me up to get my car, and it's now 3:30 in the afternoon. They told me to come by at 4 o'clock. I don't know how to feel about, like, I'm kind of over the moon, but I don't know what to expect. They did tell me power numbers. I'm not going to tell you guys just yet. I want you guys to see what the driving experience is like firsthand. I guess Winnie's going to be a part of this experience as well. So she's going to be in the car with me, going zoom zoom around Rowville. Thank you to G-Force for making this happen. Hopefully the car doesn't blow up like the last 2 times on supervision of other workshops and responsibility of other workshops. But yeah, fingers crossed all goes well. So guys, let's just pray that everything's gonna be okay. Let's jump to our next scene. So it's only been a minute, and then we've now had a wild Winnie appear. Alright, bye. My ride has arrived.
Excuse the rubbish.
Hi, Winnie.
Stop! I'm not wearing makeup.
I told you, you look better without makeup.
No. Please do not have that in there. I'm gonna slice
Don't have
you.
what in where?
I'm gonna kill you.
You're gonna kill me. Why are you gonna kill me?
Do you want me to drive you or not?
Okay. I'm putting the camera away, guys. Hi, Winnie.
You can blur it out, right?
Nah, I'm not blurring it.
You're blurring it. So where do I go? What's the address here?
Winnie's got a really nice car.
Stop! What's the address?
So we're going to G-Force Race Solutions today.
You did not tell me you're doing a fucking video shit. I would have at least put on makeup.
You look fine.
Piece of shit. You never like taking it anywhere.
G-Force Race Solutions may close within 1 hour of when you arrive.
So it was really funny because the other day I was with Winnie and we were eating food, and she had like a big pimple on her face, and then she as I lifted the camera to her face, she like whipped this spoon out and was like, "No, AJ, I'm gonna kill you."
Piece of shit.
It was so funny.
Die.
So we're gonna skip to the next scene where I pick up my car, so I'll see you guys soon. I had all these springs in the wastegate, and so that was from Motorlab. Henry put in a whole bunch of springs, and it ended up pushing the boost to 26 psi. And so on paper it made 620 kilowatts at the rear wheels on a hub dyno, which is pretty good. 620. Apparently, like, it ran out of some fuel pump as well. So there's the air fuel ratio there. So it was running out of fuel as it got towards the top end, I guess. So what does that mean? Do we need to increase the fuel line size, or to get more fuel pumps?
Yeah, you need a fuel pump hanger, and then dash ag feed.
Yep.
And I did redid the fuses because they're the same style of fuse that you had for the fuel pumps.
Yep.
And that had just been cut, so I joined that again. Yeah, but yeah, look, you're gonna have to do the loom as soon as you can, because yeah, that'll give you issues. But yeah.
How much boost is it on at the moment?
Ended up being
about 20 psi or something? Or?
No, it was less than that. I think it was 14.
Oh, really? Only 14?
Yeah, so 14 makes 469.
Holy shit!
So, yeah.
That's a lot for 14 psi.
Yeah.
Does it spool up quick?
No. So that's one of the noticeable differences between this and
a Pulsar and a Garrett?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it would have spooled up real quick.
Nah, so the boost threshold is like 4,400.
So you reckon come back with another turbo?
Do a real one.
Yeah.
It's been a long time. So glad to be getting in my car and finally driving it. Apparently, like, it hits like peak boost at about 4.5. So it's running about 470 kilowatts at 14 psi. So that's not a lot of boost and a lot of power. So yeah, I've got my fun meter over here. So if Winnie screams and laughs, then I guess it's quite successful. Jump in, Winnie.
Whoop, whoop. I want a refund.
Not bad. It literally just spins.
Look at that smile.
Yeah. So happy to have it back. It's all curvy. Where's the straight roads? Alright, this is third gear, so be prepared, it's going to be pretty scary.
No! Here we go, guys.
Oh fuck, that scares the fuck out of me too. You should hold it there.
Let's get my reaction.
That was sliding all over the fucking road.
If I drop this camera,
Oh, this is so much fun. The lumpiness of the cam is a lot more quieter than I expected. But overall, in terms of like a drivability car, I feel like it's like driving really, really well and really, really smooth. So overall, I feel like I can say that G-Force did a really, really good job in that aspect. In terms of the power delivery, I feel like it's a little bit pan this to Winnie and see what she thinks.
No!
What did you think of it, Winnie? You look fine.
I think it's very fast.
Yeah?
Some Need for Speed kind of shit.
Yeah?
Scary.
Mm-hmm.
That's all I have to say. So make sure you have health insurance and life insurance when you enter this car. That's all.
There were a lot of adjectives there.